What's going on today, everyone? I'm going up Boulder Mountain, taking the dew out. What's going on? Taking the shitty kitty?
Oh yeah. Go, Matt.
Pretty good over here?
Good, man. Back.
You're back. What happened?
I don't know. I couldn't stay away.
Snow bike! We got the snow bike with us again today. He had to skip out on the other day because the snow was too deep for him and he couldn't make it up where we were going. I'd introduce everybody today, but it looks like there's 10 of us, so it's gonna be a bit of a shit show today, let's be honest. Oh! I don't know how I got through that. Jesus Christ. That's all right. Traffic is happening. Playing bumper cars in the bush here. Just a little cosmetic damage. No biggie. That's what happens when you're free riding.
I got so close to you. Oh, he got really close to me. And I mean, crunch.
I ran into his running board.
Oh, no, I had to turn out right there and he came bowling up through here. I thought you were going right. And then I'm like, oh, he's going right.
And you were on the throttle, you weren't letting up.
No, I just held it. Ski-Doo versus Kitty. Kitty won. Cody, can you guys hear me? All these guys buying turbos, man. I got 60 horsepower. Where are they?
Right here.
Right here.
Oh, Brandon.
Oh. Just when you think you're cool.
Somehow we went from 9 sleds to 12. Not really sure how that happened. Oh no, I thought I was going to get a lot more traction on that track there. There's a snow bike right below us there. Lunchtime?
Lunch?
Apple fritter? What do we got? Oh, meatballs. Sticker in there. Got the trail sled up first, the 146, Braden.
1,700 kilometers at this point of the year is a lot of riding. What are you on right now?
What's going on over here?
Oh yeah. Just carnage.
A little carnage?
Yeah, I got a little. The other half of the belt's there.
Is that what a quick drive belt looks like?
Just peeled all the cogs off.
Wow. I could see the glue sticking right to the...
Yep.
You're riding too hard, getting it too hot. Well, these guys do some wrenching. We're gonna do some riding. Side panel drop off the pillow. Oh. Sorry, that was some bad filming.
I did not get a good end on that. Nope. It's hard to work with. I don't know, speed.
Well, this is where I was going here. I want to bring the guys in here, and there's just a pillow here that they could do some whips off, but I'm gonna wait till they get here before I go on here, just because there's some face on this one side. Could slide. Can't make it. We have a bit of a struggle getting back out of this place.
Oh my god! You really want to get close to me today.
Third collision. Got Mitch up next here. See what he's got. Backflip.
Okay, now we have a lip. Yeah, that was fucking close.
Jesus. Christ.
Holy. I didn't expect that. And I pulled way too hard. Good?
Yep. Nobody's riding out anything today. Okay, just so that people know you can ride, I'll stick in a clip of you doing like a 270.
Oh, that's it! Yeah, buddy!
Well, that's a familiar face. Where do you think you're going down here? This is Snowmobile country. That's gonna make it out of here?
I've been up and down this hill 5 times looking for people. You guys said you were in Narnia. This ain't that gnarly.
What's going on here, boys? Pull in the snow bike. Time for the pull back out of here. This should be the fun part. We'll see if the snow bike can make it out. Oh. Whichever, just up. Doesn't matter where. Man, foot slipped off my running board there. Woo-hoo-hoo. Take another run at this here. Alright, let's give this another whirl here. Yeah, we're good now. Maybe not that good. So I could have tried to follow our down tracks up, but that wasn't really a very good line either. And to challenge myself, I wanted to make my own line up here. You know, I've got stuck 3 times probably now, but if you're not getting stuck, you're not trying hard enough and you're not learning. was a good pull. I don't see any uplines here, so I'm gonna drop back down, see where Jason is, if I can find him down here. Whew. What the heck? Oh.
Nobody make that climb.
Found Jason's track here. We'll follow it up. It better be Jason's track. So Mitch, Snowbike, and Dan are still down there. They haven't made it up that hill yet. I met up with Jason, and now I'm gonna work my way back down here again and see if we can get them out. I knew it was gonna be a full pull to get out of there, but wasn't really planning on the Snowbike dropping down there. Wow, those old ruts are hard. So the guys should be just down here. Oh, there's Mitch! Hey, Mitch! Cody is dropping down to build a road. I think we'll have this as the run-up. Shoveled this all so it's flat. It is pretty steep, but once we let it set up, it should be good. Don't hit my sled. Okay, we got one out, and there's the dew. Whew.
Let's go!
Here comes the snow bike. I don't know if it'll pull the hill. Not quite. What's up? What's going on here, boys? Pulling the snow bike.
Thanks, gentlemen.
All right, we're finally making our way out of here now. Wrangled up all the turkeys. Ooh, deep. Oh my God. Solid day up here. Had a lot of fun in the trees in the deep snow. We made it. Jason, where's the boys?
Oh, I think they're stuck behind a snow bike. I don't know.
Justin's coming to help.
Every time there was an obstacle, 3 guys stuck.
Go back up, you said?
Not up the trail. Good way to end the day.